Hello everyone, my name is Billy Stephen from Hanbird Electric Motorcycles. I'm international trade director at this company and factory. Today we are making the video to give the basic knowledge about the production of the bikes we are making here, electric bikes, scooters. How's the production in China? What are the steps that involve in the production? From the beginning till the end, I'll give you step by step all the guide for all our customers all around the world who usually have a lot of questions that comes to their mind, like what are the steps and why it takes sometimes very long to prepare and everything. So I'll show you one by one. Right now we are outside our factory, the corridor you can see. The first most important thing we need is obviously the frame for our bike. Here you can see there are a lot of boxes. We have frames here. That's the first step. Let me show you some frames here. Here are the frames we have. These frames are for scooters. We do have for racing models as well. But right now the production is going on for scooters mostly, so we have scooter frame here in stock. You can see that in each frame there is a space for the battery right here. There's a space for the battery. Then there's this front part of the frame where you put the handlebar and everything, and then there's the back part of the frame where you put the rear wheel and everything. So that's the first part. We need a frame. We have our suppliers, of course, with the best quality of frame that can tolerate the weight more bigger than 250 kilograms, 300 kilograms, including the rider and the weight of the bike for adult racing models. So here we have the frames of our bikes. Let me show you the other parts. So now we are inside our factory. Let me show you the initial parts that we need to put on the frame. Here we have our stock for our tires. You know, these tires are the best quality. We have our suppliers. We are ordering from them in stock. We have these tires. They are tubeless vacuum tire, obviously, with very good quality. You go and you do anything, you ride, you jump, there's never any issue. These are for the motorcycles we have, not for the scooters, for motorcycle. You see the size is different. The size we have is 17 inch, 16 inch, while for the scooters we only have 10 inch, 12 inch. These are the wheels for the rear part, because there is this motor. You can see there's a hub motor for the back wheel, but in the front wheel we don't have any hub motor. Alright, so we are here for the first part of the production. We have the frame here for our racing model, and obviously with this frame we need some extra parts. We're adding the shocks, these parts on the front for the handlebar and everything. So that's the very first step for the beginning. We need all these parts, like he's putting right behind my back. You can see we have this electric wiring that we are putting in front of every frame. So we make sure we do the production with all the parts accurate, and there is always a quality check. I myself visit here a lot of times to check and make sure each and every step is going well. Okay, here's the important step. Right after we take the frame here in the factory, we need to do a few things very quickly. Firstly, we need to put the front wheel and the back wheel. We have front and the back wheel. And then of course the next important part, we need to put some spares regarding these wirings, as you can see, for the electric current controller and everything. And here we have on the back side as well. Here's the controller, as you can see. Here is the handlebar we assemble here with the right and left throttle. You can see here how it goes. And of course the back wheel is with the motor, the front wheel is without the motor. At this point we have some shocks and everything, you can see. So those parts which are actually needed at the base of the bike, we are doing at this step. That's the very first step, that's the beginning. So here we assemble the initial parts for our bike or scooter just for the first step. Alright, so we are here at the fourth step of our production. As you can see, at least 80% of the work has been done. We have all the plastic parts attached. We have the meter here, we have the throttle, we have the handlebar, the plastic parts here as well. The bag, the controller, the motor, the front wheel, back wheel, brake system. Most of the parts are done by this step. But still there are a few things are missing, like we didn't put the seat. There is no check till now about the final results and everything. So this will make sure in the next step. Let me take you there. Come on. Okay, right now we are just outside the loading area for our factory. As you know that these scooters are ready to ship. Now at the moment this order we have for domestic order, and then we are loading all these bikes here. If you could see, I'm going inside the truck. So you can see how we are putting the bikes here. These are without any packing because we are just sending it to a close by city. But if we send it abroad, obviously there's a proper packing that I would like to show you later. So you see how many pieces will fit like this in a truck, and then we send it to the Shanghai warehouse just before the shipment, as you know. Thank you. Everyone, right now we are at the warehouse of our factory, and you can see all these bikes are ready for our customers. I would like you to have a look here. You can see we have scooters. We didn't attach the back box because the packing and everything, it'll take more space in the container. So we make sure that we put right here so we can fix more pieces in the container. You can see we have a huge supply every month. We can do production over 1,000 units, and these all bikes are going abroad to different countries. There are scooters here. If you come here, I'll show you some mini racing models as well. Like, you know, this is our mini racing model, M3, M7, all in production here. On the right side, you can see there are also some scooters with this back seat and everything, with different colors and everything. This is not a packing, it's just a PVC to protect it from dust or anything. The proper packing before the shipment, I'll also like to show you. You can see we can do different type of logos or different colors, different designs. Everything is available here. Few people just like in plain, for example, this complete black, complete white, complete red, as they wish. Here we have some more pieces for our little turtle model. You can see there is this beautiful shine for red color, for black, gray, pink, light blue and everything. And if you come here, there are some more scooters here. We have on the right side, you can see there are also some models. Like here we have the DP with the beautiful logo, the different color, unique, like customer wish. There are some plain colors for DP also available, you can see over here. So all these in our warehouse, right in the line of production. We make sure that we put everything here and we make it ready for the shipment for our customers. Alright, so before you saw some scooters mostly or mini racing model, here we have the stock in our warehouse for adult racing model DP. You can see there are different colors available. This is all production line with different colors of DP models. You can see over here. Here we have this big line for another DP racing model here. You can see adult racing models. Here are monster model, few pieces, and of course that belongs to one customer. So we can do mixed containers, we can do single model as you wish. More customization you want about the colors of the bike or about the different changes regarding the Bluetooth or any other change. Of course we do it for bulk orders. When you're having container orders, we do it. But if just some samples, then we only make sure if we have something in stock and production left. If we don't have it, we advise you to choose something that's already available to save the time. Because if you choose a special color, like this is a special color, it's not always in our stock. So we need to make sure we arrange it, that wastes more time for production. So bulk orders, we try our best to complete within 2 weeks or so, and then shipment also takes about a month. So please make sure that you choose those colors for sample orders that's easily available. But for bulk orders, we can do customization according to your choice. Thank you very much.